Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 5th, 2025, and we're diving into Land's End's first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Land's End has released some interesting numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Land's End reported a net revenue of $261.2 million, which is an 8.5% decrease compared to the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on this?
While the revenue decline is notable, it's important to highlight that the gross margin improved by 210 basis points to 50.8%. This indicates that Land's End is managing its costs effectively, even amidst a challenging revenue environment. The adjusted net loss was $5.4 million, or 19 cents per share, which is slightly better than the forecasted EPS of -19 cents.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you elaborate on the performance of Land's End's different segments and any strategic initiatives they have undertaken?
Absolutely. The U.S. e-commerce segment saw a slight increase to $170.7 million, reflecting resilience in their digital strategy. Licensing revenue surged by over 60%, driven by growth from existing partners. Additionally, Land's End has agreed on a partnership with Delta Airlines, which will commence in the second quarter of fiscal 2025, potentially opening new revenue streams.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operational efficiency seems to be a focus for Land's End. How have they performed in this area, and what does their future outlook look like?
Land's End has reduced inventory by 9%, which is a positive sign of improved inventory management. They used $22.5 million in operating activities, showing better cash flow management compared to last year. Looking ahead, they expect net revenue between $1.33 billion and $1.45 billion for fiscal 2025, indicating a stable outlook despite current challenges.
CFO Insights. What insights have we gathered from the leadership at Land's End regarding their performance and strategic direction?
CEO Andrew McLean emphasized the success of their customer-centric strategy, which has driven growth in GMV and gross margin. CFO Bernie McCracken mentioned plans to mitigate tariff headwinds, maintaining their fiscal 2025 outlook. Additionally, the strategic alternatives process, including potential sales or mergers, is ongoing, which could significantly impact the company's future.
Key takeaways. In summary, Land's End has shown resilience with improved margins and strategic partnerships despite a revenue decline. Their focus on operational efficiency and strategic initiatives like the Delta partnership are promising. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. Land's End is navigating a challenging environment well, and their strategic moves could position them for future growth.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Land's End's performance in the comments below.